Hello everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Gil Trading Lab. If you're new to this YouTube channel, please like this video, share and subscribe. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a weekly market focus on the gold against the dollar, and I'm going to start from the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, my swing structure is bullish. This is my current swing range, but this is my strong swing low and this is my weak swing high. Within the swing range, we have this internal structure which is currently bullish to signal the end of the swing pullback. We can see we use internal structures to signal for us the start and the end of the swing pullback. So in this case, we can see initially here, internal shifted bearish to signal that deep swing pullback, and then now it has shifted bullish to signal the end of that swing pullback. So now we can expect this. Our expectation should be that this internal structure should remain bullish until price takes out the weak swing high. So for this coming week, what do I expect? So I expect this. Since this is our internal range, we've had that IBOS. So after a break of structure, what should we expect? We should expect a deep internal pullback. So, but it's not a must for it to start immediately. Price can still keep rallying before we get that internal pullback. So for this coming week, we can expect either the continuation of the internal leg, or we can expect the start of the internal pullback. As you can see, price has swept all this liquidity above here during the past week. So maybe the sweep of all this liquidity could be used to facilitate that internal pullback. So that's all for the daily time frame. Let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, my swing structure is bullish. This is my swing structure, which shifted bullish over here. Okay, let me zoom out so you can all see the daily time frame. So this is the daily swing range, but that is the daily strong low, and that is the daily weak swing high. So now that this daily, the 4-hour has shifted bullish, it's also a good sign that probably now that this 4-hour swing range will remain bullish until price takes out the daily weak swing high. But then if you don't know how to combine to do multi-time frame analysis, that's how you do it. So now within the 4-hour swing range, this is my swing range. We have this internal structure which is bullish, and also, by the way, not forgetting that we haven't had a significant swing pullback. That's why you don't see I haven't labeled any high as a weak swing high. So currently price is forming the continuation of the swing leg, and this internal structure is facilitating that. So even now, if we need to confirm the start of the swing pullback, then if this internal structure shifts bearish, then we could see that it could be a signal now that we are getting that swing pullback. So if we focus on this internal range, so this coming week, we could since we've had that internal break of structure, then we can expect an internal pullback. So for this coming week, we can expect that internal pullback, for price to pull back to demand or the EQ of the range, and then we could see the internal high and low formed, and then we could see price target the week high for price to continue forming the swing leg before we get that pullback. Or we could see the continuation of the internal leg, or also we could see internal shift bearish to signal the start of the 4-hour swing pullback. Also, another thing is this 4-hour range is also the daily swing range. Sorry, the internal range. So if internal shifts bearish over here, it will also be a good signal that we could also get that daily internal pullback. So that's all for today's YouTube video. Please don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to your friends. Yeah. I wish you all a wonderful and a blessed week ahead.